In this video, we spent a few days visiting family and friends in Southern California, as well as, of course, going to Disneyland. So just to preface this video, majority of the footage will probably be from Disneyland and California Adventure. Most of our time we spent in SoCal's private family time, but hitting up the Disney Resort area is always a highlight when visiting. We landed pretty late, so our first night was literally just eating at a Denny's with my family. The next day was again family time, doing some shopping, as well as a get-together at my parents' house. Alright, so this is Disneyland Day, which we just hit the ground running by going straight to Tiana's Palace for food. I was surprised with how good the gumbo actually was, and the beignets are always really amazing.
There we go, got it.
Matches his hair.
Has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system.
Look at that, all the stormtroopers. That is so cool.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
That one's like a fortune cookie. While in California Adventure, we stopped by Lucky Fortune Cookery for an early dinner. It is actually really good. Yeah. Like pretty good. It's got mushrooms, green onions, walnuts, shrimp, sesame.
Good? Yeah.
Okay, we got a Baymax macaroon. I don't really know what's in it.
Oh my god, he's so soft.
Oh my gosh. It's got peanuts, chocolate, some kind of cream or something or other. Alright. She's looking good.
I can tell what flavor it is.
Is it worth $7, almost $8?
It's actually very soft. I think very well made. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a bite of Baymax as well.
Chocolate hazelnut spread and buttercream.
The buttercream. Can't tell the buttercream. Can tell the hazelnut for sure. So it's not chocolate. And it's a pretty decent size, so it is worth $7, I'd say. For Disney, especially for Disneyland prices. Is it coming? And then we ended up going back to Disneyland that evening to meet up with my cousin for some late night Disneyland shenanigans. Can't see shit.
useless.
So fucked up. And of course, ended the night in In-N-Out because why not? So we woke up pretty late the next day, but we started our day at Joe's Italian Ice in Anaheim. Maybe. It's one of our favorite go-to places when visiting SoCal. We then went out later that afternoon to Mitsuwa in Costa Mesa to catch up with my childhood friend. I also had to get gyutan, which is grilled beef tongue from Gyutan Tsukasa. They don't have this in Chicago, so I was glad I was able to get some. And that evening, we stopped by a pretty well-known taco spot in Orange County called Tacos Los Cholos. Definitely a very, very good spot for tacos. It was packed, and while we did end up taking it home, it was still really tasty. And I know it's already well known in the SoCal food scene, but I need to start recommending this place to everyone I know. So today is our last full day in SoCal, but we started off by having lunch at one of my family's go-to Filipino restaurant, Salo Salo in Artesia, California. Okay, so for our last night here in Southern California, we decided to get a room at the Westin Resort, basically right across the street from Disneyland. We got upgraded to a corner suite or something, so let me give you a little room tour. So here's the door, this is their entryway. There's Ray. We got some kind of, I don't know what the situation is over here, but this is kind of cute. We got a nice little granite table here, and then when you look inside, you get a nice big table to eat my egg tarts on. Looks like we got a coffee thing over here and some waters. Nice big closet. Oh, and there's some robes. More closet space. Well, actually, there's only one robe. I'm not gonna call them out on it. We got upgraded, so okay. So yeah, big area. This place is huge. Here is the bathroom. Oh, there's the other robe. Okay. Got a separate bathroom area. Not a bidet, unfortunately. We missed a bidet. Big shower space. That's gonna be fun. And then a lot of counter space here. Plenty of towels. And just really nice lighting in general. Coming this way. Look at how big. You can literally run around this area if you wanted to, right? Big bed. We got this whole, some stationaries and stuff over here. Pretty decent sized bed. We got a couch, 2 chairs. We have more space, honestly, than we need, but I'll take it. We're on the 3rd floor, so not much of a view. It doesn't look like. Looks like we got a view of the parking space. So definitely the backside. I can see, if you look down, somebody's balcony down there. So we got that. So I guess that's fun. Somebody's having some fun time over there. Sure. Yeah. This is a really, really nice room, right? Yeah, and this hotel is relatively new to the area, so kind of cool to get the nice room. Oh, wait. And this, hold up. Let me press this. Ooh! Look at that. Hey. So, yeah. Just gonna chill here. Probably hang out at the bar or whatever, go to the pool, something like that. Before we fly out very early tomorrow. All right, we are out of here. It is 5 a.m. Our flight is at 7:55. Saying goodbye to this really comfortable room. and getting ready to go. We're just gonna go check out. My parents are here to go drop us off at the airport. So let's get going. Ready to go home and see the kitties? Now, we had a few hiccups leaving SoCal. Originally, we were supposed to fly out from John Wayne Airport on American Airlines. We ended up getting delayed multiple times, so we asked for the next available flight, which had to be from LAX. So we drove out to LAX, and on the way there, we started getting notifications of it being delayed again. Luckily, when we checked in, we asked to be put on an earlier flight and was able to get on one leaving at 2 p.m. instead of the delayed time of 5 p.m. It was definitely really annoying, but we at least were able to finally take off. And finally, we made it back to Chicago. I hope you all enjoyed this video and our entire journey. Overall, this trip was about 3 weeks, which is a good little chunk of time to get away and relax. But that is it for us. We'll see you in our next adventure.